Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well.
What is your name?
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 in the morning.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do light exercise every day.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
I prepare breakfast after that.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. What do you do during the day?
I go to work at 9 o'clock.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
I study English every day.
That's a good habit.
Practice makes perfect.
Are you at home now?
Yes, I am cleaning my room.
Can you help me later?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What time does your office start?
It starts at 10 o'clock.
Is your boss friendly?
Is your boss friendly?
Yes, he's very kind.
My teacher explains very clearly.
That's great.
Let's go shopping.
Okay, I need to buy clothes.
How much is this shirt?
It's very expensive.
Can you give a discount?
Yes, a little.
I'll take it. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's eat something.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like some rice and vegetables.
The food is delicious.
I really like it. Where are you going?
I'm going to the bus station.
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you for your help.
Have a safe journey.
Thanks a lot.
How are you feeling today?
I feel happy
Why are you happy?
because today is a good day.
I feel tired but satisfied.
Take some rest.
What do you do at night?
I watch TV and read books.
I prepare for the next day.
It's time to sleep.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
See you tomorrow.